Hello, my name's Abby and I study English literature and drama at university.
And I tutor A-level chemistry and biology.
I am currently tutoring students who are doing A-level law.
And I signed up because I was bored in lockdown and figured if someone else could benefit from all the old knowledge just rattling about in here, I'm more than happy to pass it on to them.
So we use the Bramble platform for our tutoring, and it works really well for me and my students. Really helpful to both be able to see each other, but also to create a big rolling notebook with information from all the sessions that we have done together so far.
And a great feature of Bramble is that both myself and the student can simultaneously contribute to the whiteboard. And this is different from other tutoring platforms and softwares that are out there.
Bramble's really useful for tutoring. Both the student and the tutor can share the same whiteboard which they can both draw on. This is really useful for me, especially in chemistry lessons where we're drawing lots of diagrams and structures. Furthermore, each lesson gets recorded and can be accessed by the student whenever they may need to revisit notes.
I've been tutoring in A-level chemistry for a range of examples with the CTI. Bramble has been super easy to pick up, and one of its main advantages is the rivers feature, which enables students to refer back to recordings of previous sessions.
I am currently tutoring 4 students. I have 2 GCSE chemistry students and 2 A-level biology students, and I hope to continue tutoring them for as long as they may need. I signed up to volunteer with CTI to give me some sort of purpose during lockdown and also to contribute to what is going on right now.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying my volunteering for CTI. The best thing about volunteering with CTI has to be the students and seeing them make progress and seeing a difference that I make.
The thing I enjoy most about volunteering with CTI is just the ability to have a significant impact on individuals' education.
Volunteering with CTI has been very rewarding. I get to talk to people just a few years younger than me and advise them on university and college and say to them, look, I know you're nervous. I know it's scary moving up, but you'll find your circle and you're not alone in being the new kid.